welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. The drawing that I'm doing today is from the Pokemon series. It's an electric Pokemon. Can you guess which Pokemon it is? Well, let me tell you. It is PLUSLE. Now this is like a cheering Pokemon series, like a much smaller Pokemon. According to the Pokedex, is roughly around 9.3 pounds or 4.2 kilograms or so. So I'm going to start by drawing the ears for PLUSLE. So it has these like big round ears, almost like a bunny almost. And then here is the other ear that I'm drawing for PLUSLE of this electric type Pokemon. And then I'm gonna draw in the head. This Pokemon is like a combination of cream color and like a little bit of red. Has these circular red cheeks that I'm gonna draw later on, but as you can see, I've already drawn in the flat ears that are mostly red, and we'll color those in later. Here are the cheeks that I talked about, and then I want to draw in the eyes, so 2 circles, and then I'm going to draw a smaller circle on the inside and leave it white to show the glistening of the light off of his eyes, so it looks like it's like shiny eyes. So this Pokemon PLUSLE, it lives in the grassland as well as the savannas. It really likes to be seen together with Minu, which is kind of like a plus and minus opposite sides, part of like generation 5 of the Pokemon series. I honestly think this is such a cute Pokemon. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Pikachu. It has these flat ears that are mostly red. Here you can see I'm drawing the body. It's a very cute character, and you'll see that in most cute characters there you have like really round curved lines, nothing like straight edges. So this PLUSLE works or has its power by creating these sparkly pom-poms by shorting out the electrical current on its palms. So here I'm gonna have one of his foot up in the air, and it's like kind of like balancing on one foot. Isn't it kind of cute? Okay, also have to do a tail for this PLUSLE. So here I'm just gonna finish up PLUSLE's tail. It's like this positive plus sign for its tail with a little circle, but since his body's blocking part of his tail, it's only a semicircle. But here's the outline for the character. It looks really cute. Now I'm gonna start coloring. I don't have all the colors that belongs to the original Pokemon. PLUSLE has like more of like a beigey color. I only have yellow, so I'm just gonna substitute with that, which is okay because you might not necessarily have all the color palettes that matches the exact same character. I think part of it is just like learning to be creative and having fun with your drawing. So here I'm just gonna use the yellow, the color within the lines, and make sure coloring any white gaps there. Certainly do try my best. It's never perfect, but that's okay. Part of it is just having fun and just drawing and practicing your art, and that's how you can get better with time. So please come and color with me. As I'm drawing this Pokemon, I realized I missed the plus signs on his cheeks, so I'm gonna go back with my black marker and draw those in before I color in with my red markers. When I draw, I like to get all my colors ready in the beginning so that I can figure out what color combinations I like, and then I start drawing. Just like cooking or like any other activities, I like to be prepared ahead of time. As well, I thought I'll also suggest that if you like, can add background to this piece to create more of a story for your Pokemon and make your drawing a little bit more unique. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. So that about wraps up my PLUSLE from Pokemon. Here is the final artwork. Thank you so much for joining me on the step-by-step drawing with Sharon in the Pokemon series. If you're interested in more of these step-by-step drawing videos, check out my YouTube channel for a full playlist of other drawings that I do. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully I will see you in future videos. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.